Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad with green beans full guide. Start by trimming the ends and cutting the beans to bite size, then blanch for 2 to 3 minutes and shock in ice water to preserve color and crunch. Dry the beans thoroughly and set them aside while you prepare other salad elements. This method gives you bright, crisp green beans that blend well with any dressing or salad mix. For the dressing, whisk together 3 parts oil and 1 part vinegar, add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a drizzle of honey to help emulsify and balance acidity and sweetness. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper, and taste as you go to adjust. You can add lemon zest for brightness or a splash of vinegar for extra tang. Toss the dressing with warm or cooled beans for better flavor absorption. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more cooking videos. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a fun little upgrade like choosing great ingredients for your salad. Check the description for the link to the featured socks and other deals and pick up something that lasts. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Think about texture and contrast when building your salad. Toasted nuts add crunch, cherry tomatoes or roasted peppers contribute sweetness and color, and crumbled feta brings creamy tang. Combine ingredients gently so the beans stay crisp, and fold in delicate herbs like parsley or basil at the end for freshness. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving, and serve slightly chilled or at room temperature to showcase the vibrant ingredients and balanced dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.